What y'all doing? There's Mommy. There's Daddy. Give him a check, Daddy.
You got clothes on there and a pair of underwear that are disgusting laying on the floor.
She wore them for 3 days straight over Thanksgiving break. Tried to get her to change her clothes, but she wouldn't. But anyway, we have that on tape, don't we? Yes, we do. Hello. Hello, babies. Hello. Day in the life of the Barker household. Hey, Lulu Barker. Who are you, Ruby Barker? There's J.R. Barker. You're playing with Daddy. He won't let you play with your chew toy. That's not a chew toy, it's Play-Doh. Play-Doh container. Hey! Hey, baby! Hey! Who is that?
That's Ruby.
That's Ruby. Is this Candy right here? Walking towards Daddy. Ruby went and laid down.
I meant Sarah. That's Sarah.
Oh, Sarah.
That's Sarah.
Sarah laid down. She's a little bit lighter than the others, if you can see. Sarah is laying in the bed. And the other two over there trying to get the toy from Daddy. This is kind of boring. They're ready for a nap now, I think. Would you stop patting on my head?
No, look.
Well, you told me to look.
No, I meant look up.
Where's the other one at?
Look.
Who's left on my feet?
Jack and yeah.
Hey! Katie! Oh, she must not want her picture taken. Katie! Are you playing peekaboo?
Get her.
Where's Katie? Katie! Katie!
I'll tell you.
Did she come out?
I don't know. Yeah.
Where's she at?
She's on the carpet.
She went on the carpet. Oh, come here and see me. Hold her up close. We don't want to make this video too long. We'll be able to get it on Facebook. Hello! Hey, Katie! Who is this?
Candy.
It's Candy Girl. Okay, don't smack her nose. Okay, we gotta get ready for school. Go brush her and dry her hair.
I know.
Okay, we'll see y'all guys later. It's nap time. Put her in the bed. Everybody else is getting in the bed. In the cat bed. Their bed's upstairs. And they can fit and get snuggy. Okay. Night night.
What happened to Sarah? Oh, they kicked her out.
Oh no.